Hey besties! We have a very exciting unboxing. So today we are unboxing Madame Glam's 2024 limited edition Easter egg. And this packaging, inspired by the Jane Austen's era of timeless romance. This packaging is beautiful. And we have the same great formula, which is always appreciated. So we have 1 cup of Egg Mania collected from the Easter Bunny's home, 3 drops of Magic Whispers gifted from Garden Fairies, 1 dash of Extravaganza from Madame Glam's Laboratories, and 1 sprinkle of Bunny's Freckles collected from a friendly bunny. How freaking cute is this? Oh my goodness! I don't think I've ever been so excited about the packaging of something. I didn't even want to open it. It was so pretty. I love the bow. So when we open it up, we have the 4 colors. There are 3 cream formulas and 1 glitter formula. These colors are so beautiful, you guys. I'm a sucker for a good pastel. So yes, again, we have the 3 cream formulas and the glitter one. I did pop up a little bit of info about this collection on screen for you guys. I will definitely be saving this packaging. I cannot get over it. It is so pretty. Even the bottles are decorated. Like, my goodness, if the box wasn't enough. Madame Glam, how do you guys do it? Every time you guys just cease to amaze me. So, the first color up we have is this super pretty pastel orange, and it is Egg Mania. The next color we have in the collection is a very, very pretty pastel purple, and this is Extravaganza. I really, really, really like this purple color. Purple is one of my favorites. You guys probably all know that by now. Purple and a good sage green. And this purple was giving. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. So freaking pretty. The next color in the collection is a very pretty pastel blue, and this one is Magic Whispers. This one definitely is giving that robin egg blue. I know I said that recently in another video that I had done. I believe it was a polygel video I did. They had a really good egg blue polygel. Oh, so pretty. And then our final color in this collection, which also happens to be a no wipe top coat. So pretty. Look at that. I don't have any gels like this. This is such a unique gel, is Bunny's Freckles. I will say it is very, very thick, but it has these super pretty little flakes of coral orange. You got a pastel green. You have that light blue color in there. And then there's little mylar flakes almost. They shift from a yellowish green color, it looks like. I don't know exactly what's in this, but it is so pretty. So again, this is on the thicker side, so you will have to let it self-level or apply in very thin coats. I love that they added such a unique gel instead of just the traditional black and white speckles you would normally see. I really love that they added something so unique. And see, you can kind of see the shifting in that yellow color that I was talking about. So pretty. And I am so excited, you guys. So I ordered 2 Nail Couture scoops, and I've had them for a little over a week now. but I seen that he brought them back. And so I got 2 more, and they will be here on the 10th, which is Saturday and the day before my birthday. So yes, my birthday is February 11th. I will be 36 years young, which is still crazy to me because I definitely do not feel 36. I think I will forever be 18 at heart. I'm super excited to compare like the difference between the scoops because he said this new batch would be a little bit different. So I will have a huge haul coming and a birthday nail set. So in case you missed it, this was just a random swatch I had. I was trying to accomplish a certain look with a Beetles polygel kit I just unboxed. And this was one of the test swatches that I had from that video, and I thought it would look beautiful with that bunny's freckles on top of it, and oh my goodness, I was so right because that came out beautiful. So again, here are all the colors that come in the 2024 Easter box. Again, this is limited edition, and in order to get any of the gels that are in this collection, you do have to buy the whole Easter box. I'm pretty sure I mentioned this is $59.90. My discount code does not work for limited edition items, so please do keep that in mind when you do go to purchase this if you decide to. I love the extravaganza. That purple is absolutely beautiful. So I really wanted to show you guys what the bunny's freckles would look like on top of that. And it makes the colors in that bunny's freckles pop so much on top of that purple. I love this. And I will add a matte top coat after showing you what it would look like if we just left it as a regular top coat. Because again, the bunny's freckles is a no wipe top coat. Because it is on the thicker side though, and you don't really want to manipulate it with the brush that comes in the bottle, I do recommend taking like a detail liner brush and just kind of manipulate the flecks where you want them to be instead of using that bigger brush, because they will just build up right at the free edge of the nail. But it lays down beautifully. You just got to give it a minute to kind of do its thing and self-level, because remember, she thick. We like a thicken. I really enjoyed this collection though, and remember, in order to get any of the gels that are in this collection, you will have to purchase the entire collection because again, they are not sold separately. And because they are limited edition, we do not know how long they will be on the website or how many are available. So if you do want to purchase this, I suggest you run to Madame Glam. Don't walk, run to Madame Glam to ensure that you get your hands on this beautiful collection. So here is that extravaganza, and then with the bunny's freckles on top. So pretty. I really enjoyed this entire collection. I think the pastels were beautiful. And watch what the matte top coat does to the bunny's freckles. It is so cool. I almost thought that my camera wasn't focusing at first because it looked like, I don't know, like blurry almost. Like it's encapsulated. It is so cool, like how it turns out. Look at that. Isn't that so cool looking? I am obsessed with this. I honestly do not know how Madame Glam continues to do it month after month, launch after launch. They just blow me away. Their collections are so well thought out. And this one is giving Easter. The box, I mean, look at the packaging. How pretty is this? I just love this. I do wish that they would have thrown in like maybe a green and a pink. But for what is in here, I love it. And I'm sure that there is a reason that it is like the orange and the purple and the blues, you know what I mean? But a huge thank you to Madame Glam for sending this over so I could share it with you guys. I will again leave all of this stuff listed down below. And that is it for this one, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!